If you don't plant these cold hardy herbs in the next 2 weeks, you'll miss the final chance to enjoy homegrown flavor all winter long. Fresh herbs like cilantro, parsley, and rosemary need cool weather to establish strong roots before frost sets in. Without this short window in early fall, your only option will be store-bought herbs, often limp, overpriced, and tasteless. Right now the soil is still warm enough to support quick root growth. That warmth gives herbs the energy they need to settle in and survive the colder months ahead. But once the first frost arrives, that window closes for good. Most gardeners miss this moment completely. They either wait too long or assume herbs only grow in summer. That's why so many people end up with flavorless meals and frozen regret by December. There's still time to fix that. Fall herbs planted now can thrive outdoors with a little protection, or move inside when it gets really cold. You just need to know which ones to choose and how to care for them. This video gives you the full list of 9 herbs that still have time to grow, and the simple tips to keep them going strong through winter. Why the rush? Can't we just plant whenever? Well, no. Herbs aren't magic. They need time to settle in before the frost hits. Think of them like introverts at a party. They need time to acclimate before they start contributing anything meaningful. So when does that frost hit? For many of us that's mid to late October, which means September is go time. Soil is still warm, roots grow fast, and you're setting the stage for herbs that can survive, or even thrive, through winter. But what if you're already in a cooler zone? All the more reason to listen closely to the next part. Let's dive in, starting with the ones that grow fast and finish strong. Cilantro is one of the easiest and fastest herbs you can plant in early fall. It grows from seed to harvest in just 45 to 60 days, which makes it perfect for this short window before winter arrives. Unlike summer, when cilantro bolts quickly and turns bitter in the heat, cool weather helps it grow slower, stay tender, and taste fresher. Fall is actually cilantro's favorite season. The soil is still warm enough to encourage fast root growth, and the cooler air keeps the leaves vibrant and full of flavor. Sow seeds directly into the soil or a container about a 1/4 inch deep, keep it moist, and it'll sprout in about a week. If frost is expected, cover the plants with a light row cover or bring pots indoors. Cilantro is great for indoor growing near a sunny window, especially in colder zones. The leaves can be harvested when they're about 4–6 inches tall, and cutting from the outside allows the plant to keep producing. You can use fresh cilantro in salsas, soups, curries, and even herbal teas. When grown in fall, its taste is cleaner and more intense, making every dish pop with flavor, right when most gardens are going to sleep. Parsley is one of the toughest, most cold-tolerant herbs you can grow, and fall is the ideal time to plant it. Whether you choose flat leaf, Italian, or curly varieties, parsley thrives in cooler weather, and can keep producing well into winter, even under light snow. Fall planting gives parsley time to develop deep roots before the ground gets too cold. Sow seeds directly into moist, well-drained soil, about a 1/4 inch deep. Germination can be slow, sometimes up to 2–3 weeks, so don't worry if it doesn't pop up right away. Keep the area moist and weed-free, and the results will be worth the wait. Once established, parsley can handle frosts and even bounce back after light freezes. If temperatures drop too low, a simple row cover or cold frame will keep it going. You can also grow it in containers and bring it indoors to a sunny windowsill for easy access. Parsley isn't just a garnish, it's packed with vitamins A, C, and K, along with iron and antioxidants. It's perfect for soups, stews, green juices, or fresh tabbouleh. Plus, its strong flavor and hardy leaves make it one of the few herbs that stays useful through the coldest months with very little effort. Chives are one of the easiest herbs to grow, and they're perfect for fall planting. As a perennial, chives come back year after year, and in cooler weather, they grow thick, tender, and full of flavor. Their mild onion garlic taste makes them a kitchen favorite for everything from scrambled eggs to baked potatoes and homemade dips. Fall is the perfect time to plant chive seeds or divide an existing clump. The soil is still warm, which helps the roots establish quickly. Sow seeds about 1/4 inch deep in well-draining soil, and space them about 6 inches apart. If you're transplanting from another pot or garden bed, just be sure to give them a little water and mulch to help them settle in. Chives are very cold tolerant and can survive through frosts, especially when mulched. For winter harvests, you can pot up a few clumps and bring them inside to a sunny windowsill. Indoors, they grow surprisingly well with just 5-6 hours of light a day. Snip the hollow green stems when they're about 6 inches tall, cutting from the base. The more you cut, the more they grow. Chives are not only delicious, they're also beautiful when they bloom in spring with purple edible flowers. Sage is one of those herbs that brings instant comfort to any kitchen. Its earthy, slightly peppery flavor is a classic in stuffing, roasted vegetables, soups, and herbal teas. And fall is the perfect time to plant it, because cooler weather actually makes sage leaves more flavorful. This hardy perennial thrives in well-drained soil with plenty of sun. If you're starting from a transplant or cutting, fall is ideal because the roots will have time to settle before winter. Water it lightly until established and avoid overwatering. Sage prefers to stay on the dry side. Once rooted, sage is very cold hardy. It can survive frosts and even snow, especially if you mulch around the base with straw or dry leaves. If you're in an area with harsh winters, growing sage in a pot allows you to bring it indoors and keep harvesting all season. You can begin picking the soft, fuzzy leaves as soon as the plant looks full enough. Use them fresh in dishes, dry them for winter storage, or steep them in hot water for a soothing tea that supports digestion and respiratory health. Sage isn't just for holidays. It's a tough, useful herb that earns its place in every fall garden. Thyme is one of the most dependable herbs for fall planting. It's incredibly easy to grow, needs very little attention, and offers rich, savory flavor that pairs perfectly with roasted vegetables, meats, soups, and even homemade breads. It also holds up beautifully during colder months, making it a true staple in any fall and winter garden. Thyme loves full sun and well-drained soil. You can start it from seed, but fall is a great time to plant small transplants or cuttings, which root quickly in warm autumn soil. Once planted, water sparingly. Thyme doesn't like soggy roots and actually thrives on neglect. As temperatures cool, thyme becomes even more aromatic. It can handle light frosts with ease, and in many climates it survives the whole winter with a bit of mulch for extra insulation. You can also grow it in pots and move it indoors near a sunny window for fresh picking year-round. To harvest, snip a few inches off the top of the stems, preferably in the morning when the oils are strongest. Use it fresh, or dry it for later use in seasoning blends. With just a little space and sunshine, thyme delivers big flavor with almost zero effort. Oregano is a bold, flavorful herb that's essential in Italian, Greek, and Mediterranean cooking. If you've ever made homemade pizza or pasta sauce, you've probably used dried oregano. But fresh oregano, especially when grown in fall, has a richer, more vibrant flavor. And it's much easier to grow than most people think. Fall planting gives oregano a head start. The warm soil helps new roots establish quickly, and the cooler air helps the plant stay compact and aromatic. Choose a sunny spot with well-drained soil, or plant it in a container that can be brought indoors later. Oregano doesn't like wet feet, so be careful not to overwater. As temperatures drop, oregano holds strong. It can handle light frost and will keep growing slowly through winter, especially with a light layer of mulch or protection from a row cover. Indoors, it grows well near a bright window and makes a fragrant addition to your kitchen. To harvest, pinch off the tips of the stems once the plant is a few inches tall. The more you snip, the more it grows. Use the leaves fresh in recipes, or dry them for later. They'll hold their flavor beautifully all season long. Rosemary is a woody, evergreen herb that brings incredible aroma and flavor to roasted dishes, bread, soups, and even infused oils. It's also known for its natural ability to sharpen memory and reduce stress. And while it has a reputation for being a bit picky, fall is one of the best times to plant it, if you do it right. Rosemary prefers warm, sunny spots with well-drained soil. If your garden has clay or heavy soil, it's best to plant it in a raised bed or large container with good drainage. Fall planting gives the roots just enough time to settle in before cold weather hits. Just don't overwater. It hates soggy soil. In mild climates, rosemary can survive winter outdoors with a layer of mulch or protection from strong wind. In colder regions, it's better to grow rosemary in a pot so you can move it indoors before a hard freeze. Place it near a south-facing window and water it only when the top inch of soil is dry. You can start snipping sprigs once the plant is at least 6 inches tall. Rosemary keeps growing year-round indoors and adds beauty and fragrance to your space. Plus, it naturally repels pests. Winter savory might not be as well known as rosemary or thyme, but it's one of the best-kept secrets for fall and winter herb gardens. With a bold, peppery flavor, it's perfect for seasoning beans, roasted meats, vegetables, and hearty soups. It also has natural antibacterial properties and has been used in herbal medicine for centuries. This hardy perennial thrives in cool weather and can survive frost with little fuss. Fall is the ideal time to plant it because the roots establish quickly in warm soil, just before the cold sets in. Choose a sunny spot with well-draining soil, or grow it in a pot you can bring indoors if needed. Winter savory forms a low, bushy plant that's easy to care for. It doesn't need much water, and actually prefers slightly dry conditions. As the name suggests, it holds up very well through cold months, especially with a bit of mulch for insulation. Once the plant is about 6 inches tall, you can start harvesting by snipping the ends of the branches. It's great fresh, but also dries beautifully for winter use. Winter savory may be humble, but it's one of the most reliable flavor boosters you can plant right now. Garlic chives are a must-plant herb for fall gardeners who want bold taste and easy care. They look like regular chives but taste like mild garlic, offering the best of both worlds in one plant. You can toss them into stir-fries, dumplings, soups, scrambled eggs, or even chop them fresh over rice for an instant flavor upgrade. Garlic chives grow well in fall because they thrive in cooler temperatures and establish quickly in warm soil. You can start them from seed or divide an existing clump. Plant them in full sun or partial shade in well-drained soil and water regularly until they take root. Once established, they're tough. Garlic chives are perennial and cold-hardy. With a bit of mulch, they can survive through winter and regrow stronger in spring. They're also perfect for container gardening. Just move the pot indoors if your area gets freezing temperatures. To harvest, use scissors to cut the leaves near the base. They'll regrow again and again, giving you a steady supply through the season. Garlic chives also bloom in late fall with pretty white flowers that attract pollinators. And yes, those flowers are edible too. This is one herb that keeps giving long after other plants have faded. Winter prep is the work that determines how strong your garden starts next spring. Every amendment, seed and layer you put down now builds healthier soil, fewer weeds and better growth. This week, test your soil, or at least check your first frost date, and order your compost or seeds. Small, timely steps now make spring easier. Start by adding what your soil needs, get your cover crops in before the window closes, and protect it all with mulch. You can download the free Winter Garden Prep Checklist, covering soil amendment recipes, cover crop choices by zone, and mulching guides, using the link in the description. Prep now, and you not only grow a stronger garden, you help pollinators, feed soil life, and reduce waste. If this helped, like and subscribe for seasonally timed guides, and tell us in the comments which zone you're in and what you'll prep this week. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Happy gardening!